What's the difference between a credit union and a bank? And which one's better? I'm Khalil Reynolds, financial journalist and educator based in Jamaica. So people ask me all the time, which is better, a bank or a credit union? The truth is they each have their pros and cons, so it depends on what you're looking for. Now here are the top 5 differences between a credit union and a bank, and you can decide which is better for you. Firstly, the biggest difference is the way the two institutions are structured. Credit unions are cooperatives, meaning that members are actually owners of the company. As owners, they are entitled to their share of the company's profits, dividends, and these dividends are typically paid out in the form of interest. That's why credit unions tend to offer better interest rates than banks. Which brings me to the second difference. Interest rates. We all know these have been out of control worldwide. Most times, credit unions will offer you lower interest rates on loans like car loans and mortgages, while on the flip side, they offer higher interest rates on savings accounts. Banks usually offer like 0.000 something percent interest on savings accounts, which is essentially useless and would take forever to make any real impact on your account. Higher interest rate savings accounts are much better. Number 3 on our list is the difference in fees. Now, this was a hot topic a couple weeks ago when banks announced that they were raising fees associated with accounts. With credit unions, the fees for everyday transactions are likely to be significantly less, depending, of course, on which institution. And then there's the matter of accessibility. Credit unions, by design, are smaller, not-for-profit institutions, so resources tend to be more limited. And banks will have more branches, ABMs, and typically better technology as well. Most local banks have smart ABMs that can do most of the transactions you'd go in branch for. They also have online platforms like apps to facilitate online banking. And finally, number 5 is the product offering. Sure, you'll be able to get loans from a credit union, but banks tend to have more options with varying requirements and benefits. With a credit union, it's usually one size fits all. So like I said, it just depends on what you prefer and what you prioritize, and that's the bottom line. Subscribe to my newsletter for money news like this straight to your inbox. Click the link up here or in the description below. Let's get this money.
Let's get this money.